All right, so what? 152 plus 240, what is that? 392? So you can see it's right off there. Let's have a look at that. Let's do it on number 5 as well, right? So that would be a 392 on this guy as well. Just sort of breaks things up a little bit more, right? Gives a bit more interest to the scene. Could change the colors, of course. Maybe those two on the left are going to be a slightly... Maybe we'll change the colors of this one. Do more of a yellowy color or something like that. So you can be a slightly more yellow color. Just trying to like work out how we can... you know what, actually, I don't want to do that. I want to do that. Okay. But we do want to look at the actual the video effect. Like once we've done all that, for example, because we have our anchor point normally in the middle, right? I believe we can just rotate the whole lot, right? It might work. Let's see. Yeah, it works perfectly, right? That's the advantage of doing things in such a like methodical way. Things like that do work really well. I wonder what happens if we do, but I'm always interested in this, in what happens when you, let's put that back to 0. Like, we could just use the whole layer, right? I don't know why this is still called transparent video. So we could just duplicate the whole layer at this point, right? And on this one, we could do the 180 on the actual thing. Let's have a look. So now you've got 2 of them. Now we're starting. Now we're talking, right? Because we've actually made some interesting changes. But what's interesting that you realize is that actually about this point is kind of cool, right? Yeah, and then there it would be like, it would be cool to have a title in there. That's actually really cool. I like that. Yeah, it's a shame that the screens aren't square. Because I know if I tried to do a rotation of 90, it would look terrible. Should we just try it anyway, just for the sake of it? Let's get another one. This one is going to be a 90-degree rotation. It doesn't work. Potentially does get... Does it work? Not really. It gives the effect that it's basically going over it, right? And you know what we're going to do now, don't you? Yeah. We're going to do the 270 as well, because why not? Why not, right? There we go. The whole lot. Actually, that does look a bit better. But anyway, so yeah, I think that's going to be a good end point for this. Lots of cool stuff you can do with just quite a few simple features, right? So thanks for watching.